little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something that we use every day, stairs. Stairs are fun to climb, and now we're going to learn how to draw them. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker, and let's start drawing. Let's begin by drawing the shape of our stairs. Start by drawing a big L shape. This will be the outline for our stairs. Now, let's turn that L into steps by drawing some horizontal lines across the bottom, going up like stairs. Next, draw some vertical lines connecting the steps to complete the stairs. Look, our stairs are coming together.
La da 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 dee.
Yay! Let's make our stairs safe by adding a railing on one side. First, draw 4 small pillars along the steps. These are what hold up the railing. Now, connect the pillars with a straight line across the top. That's our railing bar. Wow! Our stairs are all drawn. But to make it stand out, let's go over the lines one more time to make them bold and sharp. This will make our drawing pop. Nice job! Our stairs look so cool now. Yay! Now it's time to color our stairs. We're going to use rainbow colors to make it extra bright and fun. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Yay! Green color. Blue color. Indigo color. Purple color. Awesome! Look at our colorful and fun stairs. You did such an amazing job today. I hope you had fun drawing and coloring with me. Don't forget to show your artwork to your family and friends. And remember to subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawing videos. Bye-bye, little artists! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.